How to change billing date on Hulu, right? So you can just change over your mobile application as well as through your website, right? So you have to just go to Google, type your Hulu, and basically click on the first link if you're using a website. And if you're using a mobile application, then you have to log in, right? So if you see something like this, right, you don't have to get confused. You have to just click on sign up for Hulu only, or you can just click on login, which is on the top right, right? And here basically sometimes it doesn't work, but you have to log in into your Hulu. And once you have logged in, now you have to go to your account option, right? So where you can find your account option, basically once logged in, click on your profile icon, which is on the top right side corner, as you can see here, right? And once you go here, which you can right now, right? So this is my profile icon. You have to click on it. You have to select the option which is called account from the drop down menu. Now on your account page, select down to the your subscription. So this is my overview basically, and this is my subscription, right? So in your case it could be a little bit different, but make sure you click on your subscription, and here you have to click on manage plan or update payment info. Now in the billing section, look for the option to change your billing date. This may under billing details or somewhere under your section, right? So make sure you find it properly, and then you will get option that to change it, right? So as you can see here, sometimes you will get an option to cancel. So once you click on cancel, but generally you don't have to cancel to change your billing date, right? This was an older version, but in the latest version there's a no such thing. And once you have to review your changes and confirm the new billing date, you will get an option to edit it out. And once you have edit or enter the correct email address, then you will be able to change it, and you will get a confirmation email in your email address. And that's it. I hope you found this video very useful.